Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video, and it's another this is extra for Horror Saturday. We're going to be playing The Sound of Fear. It seems like a good game. Yeah, it's called Spooky Saturday because, horror games. This is for an extra. We're going to, maybe us three or maybe two of us, Lemon Bread or Nia Lush, are either going to be with me on Saturday filming something horror. So, turn on your notifications. And can you ready up Max? Yeah. Alright, let's play this, guys. Yeah. So, by the way, this was the, what's it? This was for three of us, with the, other game, right? What was it? Hunting for Godzilla Part 2. It was all three of us. It's sad that they can't hear you two. Yeah, it's sad they can't hear you two. Bro. Oh, he always watches anime. Mm. Right, let's play this. The Sound of Fear. Would out of 10, guys, what do you think that this game will be? Do you think so? Yeah. Lucas, Paranoid, guys. If you've seen Paranoid yet, it was really scary what me and Lucas were playing. Go check that out. Out of all the games we've played, Lucas, I mean, be on the lookout for part 2 for it. It was very good. Me and Lucas got very far into game. We really enjoyed it. It's just, yeah, we had to end it for, certain reasons. So, yeah. Yeah, we spent 50... It was a good game, wasn't it, Lucas? Alright, wait, the game is about to... Alright, good. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We don't usually do so much videos on Saturday, but this is a horror game for extra spooky Saturday. So yeah. I don't know. If this, I think I like playing horror games, especially with Max and Lucas. Alright, let's just see the beginning of this. Anyway. Alright, seems like he's in Tilted Towers. Oh. Oh. What? What? Why do they have to put fish sticks in? Yeah, why do they have to put fish sticks in? For me, not really. A Switch. Actually, yeah, the graphics on mine are... I mean, they're cartoonish, but... Yeah, shadings. Oh, you guys saw that. It didn't get me, okay? I just said it for views. Did it actually? Uh, I'm actually going to play the game. Alright, shut up, guys. Let me hear him. Alright, Right, what he's saying, guys, is that we need to basically do something with his boss. Oh. Alright, let's just look. We're looking for a code. Right. Seems like that there's a hole upstairs. Who's down to come? Alright, who's down to come upstairs with me? Alright. Oh, there you go. Alright, seems like... Oh, good. Put the code in, Lucas. Yeah? Bruh. Alright. Alright, 6-5. I'll go back downstairs then. Hey, really? Nice. Oh, can I hide under the stairs? Oh, yeah. Oh, that was weird. Alright, remember it, Lucas. Alright, 65. Alright, you get it. Good. Right, that's the key card. Let's go. Where's... Oh, the manager's room's the key card. Oh. Boss room. What happened to the manager's room? Alright. Yeah, what? Really? Oh, that just ruins the game. When you can emote, it just ruins the game. Yeah, it just ruins the game, doesn't it? Right, I just need some scareness. Alright. So what are we finding? I found bullets in this one. Horror nightmare. Nothing. I need some spooky. Right. It seems like... Guys, it's got really dark in this bit, not gonna lie. Me. Oh, it actually heals you. Oh. Okay. Well, good luck, guys, because you wasted all your bloody bullets, didn't you? Ah, nice. Oh. No way. Right, I'll go in with you. Right, you find the crowbar, me and Matt. Okay. Alright. Well, let's just... You never know, it might be... Oh. I like how it's like this, cinematic. Nothing. Well, why do you think it... That's... Yeah, that's why it's called The Sound of Fear, so you can hear stuff, I think. So far... Alright, so far, Paranoid has been scarier than this, I think. Oh, look, guys, there's a button here. There's a button. But oh, no, nothing. Right. Let's read. Today was a storm. Okay. Very worried about us, but why? Oh, I know why. We saw that lady at the beginning. Where? Oh. Oh. Don't know. Oh, boss's room. Right, I want to be scared already. Everyone must roll. Seems like there is something like... It says no entry. Lucas. Oh my god. No, that actually scared me to death. Oh. That actually made my body... Right, the products arrived today and I didn't feel very good when I saw that doll, so I stored something very important in the safe behind the art bookshelf. There you go, you found it. I don't know the code. Alright, maybe we have to go in the restricted area. Oh, wanted, that doll. Alright, let's just see. Alright. Exactly. Maybe I haven't seen... Oh, that's a good one, actually. Alright, let's just open. Oh, but opening the drawer gives you loads of XP. Alright. I got 66. Alright, now 65. I like it. What? Wait, stand still. Wait. Oh, yeah. I don't get jump scared. Alright. Oh, I can open this. Oh. Oh, vault code. It's the vault code. This is the vault code. Fair she wears by... Wait, let me read it. Fair she wears... Oh. Fair she wears by night and day at magic with colours. It's 1256. A whisper say a wise is on her. If she I'm trying to read this. Stay to look down to Hamlet. She's not maybe at the alright. Alright. I would read this if I were you guys. We are X restricted, there you go. Right, let's go to it. What? Don't tell me. Oh no. Wait, oh, why does he want to join? Alright guys, No, can you shut the door please? I'm filming a YouTube video. Alright, sorry guys about that. Alright. No, sorry, I had to say to my brother, Oh, God. That was a... Oh, Jesus Christ. Wait, Yeah, I know. Can I read this? Let me read this. In today's meeting, we'll talk about the new doll that Just let me say this. In today's meeting, we will be talk about the new doll that everyone is buying and how we can increase our profit with her. Read that then. I like it actually. It's every single game, horror game. It is usually the storage room where you get the giant scares. Alright, I'll be in front then. Yeah, it's actually not bad. Alright. Haven't I just lost all my flamethrower. It doesn't even let me take the ammo. Oh. Well, I'll go in. I'll go in then. Oh my god! Guys, there's a doll here. I'm going out. Guys, there's a doll. Just saying, guys, there's a doll down there. Help! Oh my... Guys, just listen, there's a doll down. There is, look, for yourself, look. Look for yourself. Stay away, stay away, stay away. Oh god, I just got caught by it, wow. Alright, there's a doll, Jeez, that is actually kind of... You guys aren't hearing the noises that comes out. It's kind of crazy. I wouldn't waste the ammo anymore. But again with that. Well, I'm still exploring this room. Me. Oh, I'm out. We haven't been that way. There's a coal here as well. Picker. Yeah, you're right. You can break the windows with it. Alright, let me just get some ammo. Oh, there's a key here. Electrical key. Get out. No. We've split up. That's what happened. Oh my god, she is. Oh, I'm getting chased. This is scary. I'm doing this on my own. Oh. What key? No. Oh, I'm coming back in a sec. Right. I didn't touch it, mate. Oh, I got caught by it again. Why is she coming for me? Go in. Oh, wait. Pick up. There's a... I am. I got, guys, I got this. I've got an electrical... Yes, Lucas. Right, we just need to find a plan where we need to run. Alright, we can't let her get her. Other way. I'm running back. Oh. She's right here. Oh my god, I just got... Let's go. Let's go. Alright. Stop. I don't get it. Be careful, Lucas. Oh, now she's coming for us. Mate, oh, you had to leave me on my own. Can one of you come? Right, I'm checking all. I'll check, alright? Luke. Oh my god, I just got caught. I'm dead. Alright, guys, where are you? There you go. Oh. I'm not putting the camera on what he's doing. I'm not putting the camera on. She's talking, I can hear her. No, I'm not looking. Bruh. Man, running. Alright. But where are you going? Alright, I'm just gonna follow you because I don't know. Right. Oh, yeah, I'm running. Nice. Let me just get this on the car. Behind us, Max. She is running to me, just saying. Alright, let me hide here. Alright, when she comes to us, we need to kind of trick her and hide, like, against one of these. That's what we need to do. Please, I'm filming, please. Okay, I am. Please. Okay. Alright. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Alright, sorry if you heard my dad. He just... Oh no, it's big because my dad came in the room when I was recording, so I just said, please, can you leave? That's all. Right. Alright, stop. Alright. Right, let's split up. Let's split up. Lucas go that way. I'll go in the middle. Max goes that way. Alright. Oh. Guys, I'm hiding in this one then. Why not one? Right, I'm gonna hide. Oh, Max, it's right next to us, alright? I'm not kidding. What did I say? It's coming, Max, it's right, yeah. Just saying it's literally right behind us. Oh, I'm glitching. Right, let me... No, why does it keep on following me? It's just keep on following us. It's following me especially. I'll come in front. Yep. Alright. I saw one. It's in the aisle next to us. Yeah, right one. Oh. But I'm hiding. What? I just got caught 2 times in a row, literally. Give me the... Bruh. Bruh, okay. Alright. Alright, not there. Paper keys. Oh my god, one saw me. Of the mannequins I saw. Something. Behind me? Good, not me. Oh. Seems like... What does it mean, turn off? Oh. B. No, she saw me. Yeah, same, she killed me. Alright. Just stay here, Max. Alright. Me and Luke... No, it can't. I can't just put it on a cart. No, no, yeah, I know what you mean. No, my phone will switch off every time I does it. It's a thing. Yeah, just stay here. Me and Lucas will do it. Yeah. Alright, guys, Max has to go AFK for like 10 minutes, so it's just me and Lucas. What are we looking for, Lucas? Yeah, so what are we looking for, Lucas? Alright, I'll distract it. You distract... Yeah, you distract it. So what am I finding? So what do we do now? Oh my god, you gotta be joking. Oh, Max has to get through all of this. Alright, 4, 6, 3, 2. Scene 7. Right. Where do I go to? Right. I'll go down here. I know, that's why I'm coming. Okay. In. It's... Alright, Max, we're in one, just come... Right, the garage door has been on. Yeah, let's just wait for Max. Just come here. Bro. Alright, Max, he's back. Look, come where I am. Do you see my name tag, okay? Okay, that's felt gay. Wait. Just come in my room where I am, look. Bro, how did I get caught? Oh, it kicked you? Oh, yeah, oh. I thought you said it kicked you out for game, Max. Phew. Oh, alright, let's go the other way. Oh, oh. Right. Oh, help. Did you go all the way back down there? Alright, it's fine. Oh, it got me. Alright, Lucas, I'm here. Wait. Alright. I feel like there's one behind me. Yeah. 3 of them. Max. Go the other way, go the other way. Other way. Alright, let's go, let's go. I got a taser, I think, or something. No, I got a patchwork tool. Oh, oh, my bad. Alright, let's just see if we can get... Let's see if we can get in the car, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm just said. If we could get in the car, that would be the game would be such a good game if we could get in the car. Bro. Yeah, yeah, was it? Oh, nice. Alright, alright, alright. It's not that scary. Paranoid. To be honest, Lucas, do you think... I think Paranoid was a bit more scarier. Hmm. Nah. Pretend we're not doing a video, please, alright? His name... Yeah, his name isn't allowed. Don't... Just don't accept. Mm-hmm. Alright. It says... I'm gonna pick up the gas can. Alright, guys, just say to bruh. Gas. Huh. Just say, yeah, bruh. Oh, my gas has run out, bruh. If you, imagine if you said that while doing a video, Max. I think it's just so weird to say that. Please, I want some more of the gas. Try the gas on it. You know what? How did it get me? Right, uh, oh, oh. What? This is such a good video for, what's it, Horror Saturday. Alright, one's following you. One's following Max. It's chasing you, Max. Have you not realised? Alright, good luck. I'm just saying it was chasing you. Oh, I needed a gas. Alright. Alright, it's fine. I need to take away this gas can. Alright. Wheels. Gas. There's no wheels or anything. Oh, mannequin. What happens if I just put this on? Max, look. Take some gas. I'm spraying gas on it. But... oh, it got me. Great. If you're wondering, guys, we've so far spent 46 minutes on this. We're doing good. Gas. Alright, I'm still alive. Remember when you... I'm just saying, remember when you left, Max, because you said it was a glitch, but then Lucas solved it out. Yeah, that's what it was. Oh, it's kind of funny looking at this getting sprayed. Oh my god, you're joking. Well, I just got sent back all the way back here. I don't know why they don't put the checkpoint note. Yes. Alright, that's good. Oh, look, if we... guy, the hell, it just spawned next to me. If we don't... I can't. One of the mannequins are on me. No, guys, please just come. I'm actually... yeah, I'm getting just obliterated by this mannequin. Right. Right, behind me, yeah. Take some gas. Alright, just... alright. Yeah, ignore it. That's gas. Yeah. Oh. Oh! Oh. I'm in the car. Bruh. Yeah. That's oh, I wanted to see all of us in the car. Are you joking? It's still... I swear, if that thing can crouch, it's gonna... I still have some gas left. Wait. Gas. Alright. So, I think what... If we didn't have Lucas in these games... If we didn't have Lucas in these horror games, me and Max would be cooked. Yeah, do you mind ignoring the call because I can't do anything about it? Alright. I forgot. That's it. Alright. 1-3. I must have made a noise on my camera. Let's go. Just saying, guys, I'm not deleting this if anything happens with, because we've spent almost an hour. Yeah. Alright, let's be quick. Me and Lucas will have to finish it off. We did finish the other one. I mean, we could end it, but I don't get it, really. Yeah. Hmm. Green. Alright, I can't tell what. So, we must put C in, I think, blue. I'm going to go with red, but B is red. Red, yeah, in C. Alright, we're doing good. Alright. Wait, do we... So what are we doing to, like, put this on? Alright, no electricity. Two. Does it? If that said all of that, then we didn't know. Okay. Nice, wait. Alright, so... Yeah, I know, it's kind... Just ignore it. Yeah. Yeah, alright. I don't get this bit. So it says 3 is for triangle. Wait. Let me... It wouldn't be 4. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. He'll know. He'll know why that we won't. I'll tell. Yeah. Power on. Let's go. Geniuses. I didn't know any really. No, don't. We've been doing this for 55 minutes. Alright. Oh, yes. Oh, we've been spending so much. We've literally done an hour on this. Literally. 56 minutes. Oh, I think dead. Yes, dead. Yeah, let's go. Mm. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, because it had to fix all of that. Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's such a good video. There you go. Yeah, we did. Make sure to like and subscribe. This, to say to both of you, thank you. This must have been one of my favourite videos to record with you guys. And thank you for joining me in today's video. And go subscribe to Lemon Bread, his channel. Oh yeah, someone wants to buy. No, I'm not saying that. Alright. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I guess I'll see you in the next one, right? Right, guys? Yeah, alright. Goodbye. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Goodbye, guys.